Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Michi. I'm going to explain about two vowels today, two vowel sounds. The first sound is schwa. This is ambiguous sound. And the next symbol is a colon-like symbol. That means to make the sound long. And the next letter R is italics compared with this R. This shows we pronounce this R in American English, but not in British English. So like this, all together is one sound. You use your diaphragm, all right? And you don't open your mouth, but you have to stress because we have a stress over the schwa letter, all right? Like this. But British pronunciation, we don't pronounce so like this. All right? So like this as a word. American English. Bird. British English. Bird. Like this. Let's go to number 2. The letter E, we widen our lips a little bit bigger than this schwa, but not as big as E or A sound. Like E, like this, E. So, P, pet. This is not so difficult, right? Okay, now I'm going to talk about one more thing. It's about special information. In phonetics, we say plosive. This is a phonetic term. This means we explode the sound, meaning explosive sound. Let's look at what is explosive sound. The first 3 are voiceless explosive sound, like t, k, like this. The last 3 is voiced explosive sound, like b, d, g. Today I already introduced b, d, p, t. These are all explosive sound. Okay, there's a certain characteristic. I'm going to show you using T sound today. This T, voiceless sound. For example, a word like tennis, Tennis. The T comes in the beginning of a word. In this case, we have to pronounce like this. Tennis. You don't have to make a big sound. Tennis. Still, you aspirate and you can hear the sound T. But if the T comes at the end of the word, like as in CAT, cat, usually you don't hear the last T sound clearly, or you don't hear at all. For example, in the movie called Breakfast at Tiffany's by Audrey Hepburn, she looked for her cat and saying like this, cat. She screams like this. Even the A sound, she make it very long. But the point is, the last T sound you don't hear often. You can check it out. Okay. But if the T sound comes at the middle of the sound, like L-I-T-T-L-E, L-I-T-T-L-E, like a little, little. People often say little, little, very soft T. Well, some British may say, pronounce like this, little, little, little. Still not as strong like as in Chinese. They don't aspirate like that. Okay, that's all for today, everybody. We'll see you next time. Till then, goodbye, everybody.